Hey guys, good morning. What is freaking up, you guys? Do you guys notice anything different? Do you guys notice anything different? Tell me if you guys notice anything freaking different right now. No, no, no. I got a nose job. Just kidding, I didn't get a nose job, but I did get my biggest insecurity fixed ever, which is my teeth. Guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I had like a dark spot in my tooth over the last like 6 months. I don't know what happened. I finally went to the dentist and they told me I actually had a cavity in my front tooth. Now, before you guys give me hate comments being like, do you not brush your teeth? Yes, I brush my teeth, and what actually ended up happening was about 3 years ago, I chipped my front tooth literally eating pizza. Actually, let's go back. Let's go back in time. So when I was like 6 years old, I tried to open a bottle of nail polish with my teeth because it was stuck. I cracked my front teeth. I got it fixed about 5 or 6 years ago. And then 3 years ago, I bit into a pizza and completely chipped my front tooth again. They fixed it, but when my dentist fixed it, I guess they accidentally left a little bit of bacteria underneath the filling, and then it slowly grew into a cavity over time. And my new dentist that I go to now, who I absolutely love, fixed it for me, and look how good it looks. She looks beautiful. All right, we're at the dentist. I'm using my phone right now, but this is what my teeth looked like before. Yeah, not cute. I don't really know what happened because it used to not be this color, but over time it's slowly getting darker. So I'm hoping it's not a cavity. I'm hoping it's just my bottom teeth are chipping away at my top teeth, and that's what's happening. Oh my goodness. My teeth are almost perfect, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about the whole situation of getting my crowns lengthened, and I would only want to get my 4 teeth lengthened because I don't know if you guys can tell, these gums are a lot higher than these ones, and I just think my gums overgrew on my front 4 teeth. Can you guys see this? Like, that's a normal sized gum. These 2 for sure need to be lifted. I'd be okay if they don't lift this one, maybe like a tiny bit, but I for sure want to lift these guys.
And then I'm actually going to have you hold them at the very end.
Okay. Also, another big change happened in my teeth. I got my Invisalign off. I no longer have the buttons. I no longer have to wear my Invisaligns 24/7. I only have to wear it at night now as a retainer. Look at these teeth. I don't know if you guys remember how my teeth used to look like. My teeth used to be a lot more narrow, so whenever I smiled, I showed a lot more black in between my teeth. But now when I smile, it's like almost all white. I feel like that TikTok where they scream at the end. It's like, I'm so happy with my teeth. But either way, today is a freaking busy day. I did not wake up early enough for today. So today, Matt and I are actually traveling to Chicago for LOLLAPALOOZA. We're also gonna go visit his grandma who's turning 85. I freaking love her. She's so adorable. She's like this nice Italian woman who's just, she's just like a nonna. Like, she's just so like adorable and warm and welcoming. I need to clean the house because I'm gonna be gone for a week. Tammy, of course, is staying over, and yes, we're letting her sleep in my bedroom while we are gone. I don't know why so many of you guys thought she couldn't sleep in my bedroom, but I've just been home for the last 2.5 weeks. While we're gone, clearly she gets to sleep in our bedroom. So we're washing the sheets right now. I have to clean the entire house just because I hate leaving the house a mess whenever we leave the house. So I gotta clean. Also, I have not figured out my LOLLAPALOOZA outfits just yet. So we gotta pack, we gotta do all that stuff. Today is literally such a drabby, cloudy day. I don't love it, but I need to figure out my outfit for the airport, and then I need to pack. I don't know what outfits I'm wearing for LOLLAPALOOZA yet. I'm like freaking out because I don't know exactly the vibe of LOLLAPALOOZA. Is it like Coachella vibes where you like get dressed up to the nines? Or is it just like a normal like everyday festival where you just kind of wear something cute, but like nothing too crazy? So have not figured out any of my outfits yet. P.S. if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing right now, I'm just wearing the sweater that I got from a girl who watches my videos, Mia Coffin Design. She makes these like graphic sweaters that are embroidered, and all of them are custom made. So I'm gonna link her channel or her Instagram right here for you guys, but super comfortable, super cute. It just says Nike in beige. I honestly wish she had like sage green options because I would have worn the shit out of a sage green. I don't know what to wear for LOLLAPALOOZA. I have a few outfits in mind. I stupidly wore wore one of these outfits on my Instagram. First world problems, but I don't know if I'm able to wear this to Lolla because I already wore it on my Instagram, but it's such a cute outfit. So I think I am gonna bring it to Chicago just in case. Okay, I lied. I'm actually not gonna try on any of the clothes. I'm too lazy to. But what I am gonna do is put on my airport outfit right now because I'm just not comfortable in jeans right now. I have a bunch of shit I need to do. So I'm gonna put on these sweats. This sweat set from White Box Boutique, as you guys remember in my last video. Matt picked this out for me and it has literally been my favorite thing ever. I've already worn it. This will be my second time wearing it in like literally less than a week. So let's put these babies on. All right, bottoms are on. I gotta tie it and then we gotta put on the top as well because it's not a set if you don't put on the top. So the top is super cute. This is what it looks like. How cute. It's so cute. All right, let's put her on. All right, outfit is on. Woo! She is dressed for the airport. Time to start looking up outfits to bring to the airport for Chicago. So that's gonna be a struggle. Okay guys, like 45 minutes later, I think I figured out all my outfits. Okay, so we have a bunch of outfits. I'm only gonna be in Chicago for literally 7 days and I swear I packed like 14 days worth of outfits. Luckily, all my clothes are really itty bitty so I can easily pack all of them. But I have like 7 options for Lollapalooza, although we're only gonna go for a day because I don't know what to expect at Lollapalooza. These are all the clothes. This is not including shoes. I actually think I might bring my cowboy shoes. All right guys, this might sound insane, but for Lolla or this trip to Chicago, I'm limiting myself to 5 pairs of shoes. We got my Air Force Ones, we got some cowboy boots, then we got 2 options. One is like a dressier heel if I ever go out to dinner. Then this guy are like comfortable, easy to walk in mules. These are bright orange, just to give my outfits a little pop of color. Then we have the black options as well. Cute! Okay. Yes, I am bringing a giant suitcase to Chicago. Do not judge me. I just want to look my best, and that should not be, I should not be shamed on for wanting to look my best. I think there was just an earthquake. There was definitely a baby earthquake that just happened. That's so scary. It was like the babiest of baby earthquakes. That's so weird. So weird. I think I brought too much clothes. I think I brought too many clothes. Whatever. All right, we packed all the clothes. So we got the boots are in. These cute little mules. These are from Princess Polly. Orange mules. I think these are from, I've had them for a while. Maybe Nasty Gal. These ones I got for free from Lauren. Lauren gave these to me. Honestly, I still got a lot of space. My shoes are in here. I just need to pack my makeup bag, my skincare bag, and then my hair bag. Okay, for all of you guys who are brunette and then go blonde, do you guys have like a bunch of products specifically for your blonde hair? Because all of a sudden going blonde, I bought a bunch of crap to make sure that my hair still looks blonde because, you know, when you dye your hair blonde, you have to worry about the fact that your blonde hair will wash away and turn orange and brassy and ugly. It's a fucking shit show being blonde. I have so many products, and if you guys want me to do like an updated hair care routine, let me know because I've been trying to take care of my hair so that it's super healthy so that I can go even lighter than this because the goal is to be platinum blonde again like I was in 2017. Your girl's just trying to pretend that she's 24 again by going super blonde. I think I'm having like a quarter life crisis where I just need change in my life, and since I can't change my boyfriend because I love him too much, I gotta change the fucking hairstyle. All right, I'm gonna pack my hair care stuff and everything and put them back. Okay, if you guys are wondering what I bring with me on trips hair care wise, here is everything I've been using for my blonde hair. I've been using this little travel case from Pixie. It's been so freaking convenient to use. In this top little bag, I have all of my like hair bands, hair clips, little tiny rubber bands, bobby pins, things like that. Then I have all of my hair styling products. So this includes the Nourishing Hair Oil from Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. We got got some power drops. We also have a molecular repair hair mask and a bright blonde essential priming serum. This has been keeping my hair completely blonde. I'm not gonna lie, these Uribe products are very expensive. I would have never splurged on these types of products, except I've actually been really liking them, and my old hair salonist used to tell me all about them and talk about it all the time, and I saw that they were on sale at Very Shop, so I picked up a bunch of these products and I ended up loving it. If you guys are wondering why I don't have any conditioner with me, that is because I actually use this molecular repair hair mask as my conditioner instead. This is very similar to Olaplex, except it's by the brand K18. I've heard amazing things about this brand. They did send this to me and I tried it out and I'm in love with it. You actually cannot use conditioner when you're using this product, so instead of conditioner, I get out of the shower, then I put this product on, and it makes my hair so freaking soft, and it actually helps with the elasticity of your hair. And then in here we have the Detox Dry Shampoo from the Dry Bar. Then we have my hairbrush. I just bring a little one like this so I use up less space, a comb, 2 of my hair clips. Then we have my curling iron. I broke it down in half, and then yeah, so that is all my hair stuff, and it fits in this little bag. It's so freaking convenient, and it zips up and everything, and then I throw it in there. This is a little jewelry case that's like a travel size that I got from FabFitFun, and I get the cutest stuff from them, and this was one of the things that I got from them, but I am so happy with it. So I'm bringing a bunch of earrings, accessories, bracelets, a couple rings and stuff like that. I'm actually really excited to accessorize a little bit better for Lollapalooza. I put all of my earrings in here, and this is like a little cardigan clip, and this is just my way of cinching my dresses and stuff so that they actually fit me a little bit better. Almost done packing for today. So the last couple of things I need to do is feed myself because our flight isn't until like 7 p.m. I haven't ate lunch yet. It's like 3 p.m. So I'm gonna make food in a little bit, but I want to turn on the narwhal. Yes, I freaking love the narwhal. Yes, this is like the 4th time I'm turning it on. Like I turn it on every other day, and it makes me the happiest girl in the entire world. Like I don't understand why I would ever vacuum again if this little guy can do the exact same thing. And I'm gonna run him right now. So before I do that though, I have to clean the living room because she's a little bit of a mess. I opened a bunch of boxes yesterday. I didn't feel like filming it because I wasn't sure if you guys enjoy unboxings. Let me know down below, do you guys like watching people unbox things, or do you guys get bored of it? Because I personally like watching them. Sometimes I do get bored if they're not like someone that I really love watching, and I don't know, I just get self-conscious because I feel like I'm blabbering, just like I'm blabbering right now. So let me know down below. I'm gonna stop blabbering. I'm gonna clean.
I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up.
Little narwhal is doing her thing. She is cleaning the living room right now. She's cleaning that little corner. I just made myself lunch. It smells so good. I'm so hungry. I just made myself pasta with bolognese. I actually made this like 4 days ago. No, 2 days ago. This is the leftovers. It is so delicious. It's one of my favorite meals ever. So good. So we don't need to leave till 5 p.m. It is currently 3:40. We have plenty of time. I have an hour and 20 minutes to eat and then clean the bedroom and wash the dishes. And I think I can honestly do that. Matt already cleaned most of the kitchen. My mess is in the bedroom mostly, so I definitely need to do that. All right, cheers guys. Food makes me so happy. Look how satisfying this is. Dishes are clean, sink cleaned, everything cleaned. Matt also cleaned this like stovetop earlier today, which was super helpful because I hate doing it and he's really good at it. So the last thing we need to clean is the bedroom. Not looking forward to this. Mainly it's gonna be me shoving everything that I own that does not belong out there into my closet. This is how it goes all the time, but I do not have time to actually put everything away correctly. We're gonna make the most out of it. So yeah, here is the state of the bedroom. I don't know what it is, guys. It's so hard for me to keep this room messy. I will say I was trying to pack everything up. There's a giant pile of clothes here because these are the clothes I actually am not planning on bringing, so like don't judge me too hard. We definitely do need to clean this entire bedroom. I'm gonna clean the kitchen no, the bathroom a little bit as well.
You're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll
nice and clean. As you guys can see, we didn't put the sheets on the bed. I'm just gonna ask Tammy if she can do them and she can just like sleep in this room. We literally just do not have time. Our Uber is about to be here. I just gotta pack up the suitcase. I just made it through security. So we are currently at LAX. Yes! I'm so excited. Matt does not have TSA pre-check, so I'm just waiting for him at security. I just thought someone was gonna tell me to stop filming, so I got scared. But yes, we are here early.
I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Good morning. We are in Chicago. I'm with the entire Fine family. We got Jennifer, we got Andrew, we got Matthew. Can I show you guys on cam? We have Jessica and we got Mike. So today is going to be Rosemary's 85th birthday celebration. We're currently doing a little field trip to the coffee store. It's currently 10 a.m., which is 8 a.m. California time. This is the earliest I've been awake in so freaking long, but it actually feels really nice to walk around like this. I miss living in downtown LA because you could just like get out of your apartment building and just walk around. We're getting coffee. We made it to Chicago. Last night, I think we got in around 2 a.m. So Matt and I are just on a whole nother level of sleep deprived.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Got our coffee. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later right now. I'm currently at Jessica's house. That's Matt's sister. We're staying at her place in Chicago for a couple days, and then we're getting a hotel just so that we're out of everyone's hair. But today we're celebrating Matt's grandma's 85th birthday. We're celebrating Rosemary's birthday. So the party is starting literally in 30 minutes. So I'm actually gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you've ever been to Chicago, and if you have been to Chicago, let me know what your favorite restaurants or things to do are, because we're gonna be here for like another 6 days and I need ideas of things to do. I've never been here over the summertime. We've only been here for winter, so I'm not really sure what to do for the summer. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys. This is the makeup for the party. This is the outfit for the party. Just wearing this dress from Revolve. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.